Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha. What's up, wagwan? Today on Cook Like Sasha, we have changed the location and I'm taking you guys in the wilderness to this pristine, secluded river that just happened to run behind my house. I actually never really go to the river. I can't swim, but today I've decided to take my cooking to the river and I'm gonna cook a whole chicken. Yes, I'll be cooking a whole chicken by the river today. So my dad came up with this idea to cook on top of water and I was like,
wait a damn minute.
I just could not envision it. At first I thought it wouldn't work, but then he said, just leave it up to me, it'll go work. And I trust him, and guys, the thing shell. So we're gonna cook on water today and I'll be cooking a whole chicken. So right here I'm trying to get my setup ready, trying to get all my ingredients out of my bag onto this setup that I have right here, which is actually a bamboo raft that my dad handcrafted with my uncle, and we just freestyle it, guys. May I tell you, me never know it would work, but it works. So here I have my whole chicken, I have my ingredients to the side, and I'll be talking about the ingredients as I go along. Here I'm using some fresh spring water to wash the chicken. Just give it a little rinse out. And guys, don't do like me, don't man angle and rough up the chicken, because I broke the chicken foot because I was too rough. So yeah, I'm just washing out the chicken, rinsing it out, taking out all of the entrails that were left behind in the chicken. Now I just go, roll up my lime to get it nice and juicy, and then I go squeeze it over the chicken and give it a good wash. By the way, have you subscribed as yet? If not, just click on the red subscribe button, select the bell icon, and then click all. That way, when I upload a video, YouTube will just send one little message to your phone and tell us, say Cook Like Sasha, just upload one little something and you can just watch it quick, nice, simple and easy. Alright, back to the chicken. Now I'm just opening up the chicken to clean it out further and also to get it flat. So when I put it in the pot, it can just flat and just lay down in the pot. Here I'm going to further clean out the cavity of the chicken and take out any of the unwanted bits that I don't want in it, and I'm going to give it another good wash with some lime again. Also, you can take out any fat, the unwanted pieces of fat, and just clean up the chicken and make sure say it nice and fresh and ready for season up. And just in case you're wondering, no, I'm not using the river water to cook. Instead, I'm using fresh bottled water. Once the chicken is nice and clean, it's time to season. So the first thing I'm going to add is salt. You want to make sure say you add enough salt. Next, I'm going to add some black pepper. And guys, trust me, this is like a freestyle chicken. I really had no plan what to do. I just know I'm going to cook the chicken whole. The next thing I add is some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some island spice jerk seasoning. Next, I'm going to add some Aunt Delcie spices, pimento powder, and some Country Delight jerk seasoning. And the same thing I do on the inside of the chicken, I'm going to flip it and do it on the outside. To give it a little bit of color, I'm just putting some browning on top and then I'm going to massage the chicken. This is very important to get it soaked into the chicken. You just massage it in, and also make sure that you use enough seasoning. It no means say you go can the chicken and salt, but you want to ensure that you use enough seasoning. To ensure that the seasoning soaking even further, what I'm doing, I am just poking the chicken with a sharp knife, the sharp edge of the knife. Just poke it up so that the seasoning can soak in, and you massage the chicken. You want to massage the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just massage it in, rub up all of the seasoning all over in every crevice, in every corner, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Here I am cutting a whole head of garlic in half to put on the chicken, and it's going to go in the pan with the chicken. Here I am adding the chicken to the oil. The oil has to be scorching hot. It has to be extra hot, or else the chicken will stick up in the pot, and you don't want that. So just put the chicken in the pot, lay it away from you so the oil don't splash up and burn you. By now the sun come out and it's just a beautiful day. Everything was like, it was so much fun, Definitely have to do this again. When you put the chicken in the pot, don't cover the pot right away. Next, you're going to chop up some onions and just put it on top of the chicken with the garlic. In the meantime, I'm preparing some vegetables and some other seasonings that I'll be using to make a sauce after the chicken done cook. I'm using scallion, tomato, and some hot Scotch bonnet pepper. If you're doing this recipe, just use the amount of pepper that you like. But here I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. It never all that hot, or I don't know, maybe I'm just used to Scotch bonnet. But you just add the amount that you would want to add. So while I'm cooking the chicken and adding other seasonings to it, I am preparing the ingredients for the sauce. So here I'm just chopping up some sweet pepper. Next, I'm going to add some ginger to the chicken in addition to the onion, the garlic, and the hot Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm slightly slicing the ginger just so that the juices can be released and infused into the chicken. The last thing I'm going to add is some whole black pepper corns. These have a very nice aroma, so I'm just adding that to the chicken. These red onions will go into the sauce that I am going to prepare after the chicken is done cooked. So what I have is scallion, thyme, tomato, sweet pepper, and the red onions, carrots as well, and some Irish potato. So now I'm ready to turn my chicken, and what you want to do is just check to ensure that it not stick up in the pot so that you don't tear the chicken skin. And then you're going to just take your time and turn the chicken.
Mad. Yo, that looks good, sir. Oh, whoa. Cold one. So cold stay, man. That's what I'm saying.
Alright, so now my chicken is pretty much done. As you can see, the color is beautiful, well caramelized. I mean, I tell you, tastes so good, so good. Me I tell you, it turned out so good. So now I'm just going to take my time and just remove the chicken. I'm so proud of this chicken. And there you have it. Whole chicken cooked by the riverside on top of the water. And guys, I'm telling you, it's delicious. You must try this. Must try this. Look at it. Look good, set good with a little broke foot. For my sauce, the first thing I'm going to do, so first thing you need to do is to clean the pan. Remove all of the debris and anything that was burnt from the bottom of the pan. Then I'm going to start adding the ingredients for my sauce. First thing down is a potato. I'm going to make them get a nice good sear and make them start cook through before I add the other vegetables and the other seasoning. So the carrot are going with the tomato, the scallion, a little piece of ginger, and the red onions. Everything will go in and start cook down, caramelize, and soften up. Here I'm adding some ketchup, and I also added a little bit of water to help get the gravy going. I mean, I tell you guys, it smells so good, so good. You did just after it if you just experience it, or you can try it, but the smell was amazing. And then the star of this gravy is my spicy mango chutney from JASAP processors. Support the brand, local brand, buy Jamaica, build Jamaica, and this product is actually locally produced by somebody that I know, and it's really good. Check them out. They're on Instagram, and I'll leave the link below and the details to the product. But may I tell you, the chutney, turn up the sauce and turn up the thing. Now what I'm gonna do is just pour it over my chicken, and may I tell you, it was so good, guys. Even people stranger with at the riverside come and ask me for some of the chicken, and them don't know me. First them see me, them don't know me, and them ask for the chicken. And I give them, and I tell you, oh my god, all the plate them want yam. So eventually what I did was to cook some fragrant rice to serve this with, and it was so amazing. If you want the recipe to that video, I'll leave it in the description below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And until next time, this is Cook Like Sasha. Bye guys.